What's up, guys? So I wanted to make this video to kind of just explain a couple of changes that we're going to be making in regards to the content that we're putting out. For those of you who don't know, I actually started making content when we didn't really have a business. So we were selling gym launch, couldn't start acquisition.com yet. As of recently, what I've realized is I'm going back into full-blown CEO mode where I don't have the time that a lot of creators have. So you're gonna see a different style of content, more like behind the scenes, more engagement with you guys, ask you what you wanna hear, what do you wanna see, you want your questions answered, maybe some call-in shows. I would rather you guys see the real shit of what I'm doing every day, how I'm feeling about it. I'm not gonna stop making content. I know it's helpful. I know a lot of you have said how much has changed your life. You've been able to make money you've never been able to make. That's never something I wanna stop doing, but you have to know what kind of season you're in. And I am not in a season where I can dedicate the prep time it takes to content like I used to. And honestly, I don't want to. I don't want to be a creator. I love being a CEO. I love running a business. That's literally what lights me up. I think that the better I can do at doing that and capturing it, rather than creating content and manufacturing and trying to ride trends and shit, I think I have more to offer than that. I hope that you guys like the new style that we're gonna come out with. Let me know what you think.